Good afternoon, lawn dogs. My uncle, being new at this, found a faster way to. We use a speed feed head, and he finds it easier to just take off the top of the speed feed and just put it through there manually, and then he takes the string out like so, pops the top right back on. And then he evens out the line. I wonder how many feet that is. That looks like about 8 feet of line going both ways. Once he evens it out, he does a famous twist. I only use Echo products. As you can see, it's feeding, it's going in. And you're ready to rock and roll. And that's that. If you do get a line that's a little bit longer, you can always cut it or turn on your weed eater and put it on the concrete until it levels out. Just like that. Alright, lawn dogs. That's just another way, easier way maybe, to feed your weed eater head. Say bye, Theo. Theo. Ciao.
Bye.
Bye.